In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert logo in CapCut. Adding a logo is a simple way to brand your content and keep your work looking professional and consistent across platforms. I'll walk you through the entire process in a clear, friendly way so you can follow along in either the CapCut app or the web version. Start by opening CapCut and heading to your editing workspace. If it's your first time, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. Media on the left, preview in the center, and the timeline at the bottom. That's where everything comes together. Create a new project and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is the standard widescreen format for most landscape videos and works beautifully for platforms like YouTube and most desktop viewers. If you're working with vertical footage, you might use a different ratio in other projects. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with 16:9, so your logo placement stays predictable on a widescreen canvas. Now, add your video. You can import it from your device and then drag it down onto the timeline so it becomes your main track. Give the preview a quick play to make sure the footage looks correct and fills the canvas the way you expect. If your video doesn't match 16:9 exactly, you can adjust the fit before moving on so your logo sits cleanly on top. Next, add your logo as an overlay. Click the Add Overlay option and select your logo file from your computer or media library. A transparent PNG is ideal because it lets the shape of your logo appear without a solid background. Once imported, the logo will land on a track above your main video, which means it will always sit on top visually. Adjust the position of the logo in the preview. Click and drag it to a corner, like the bottom right, and resize it by dragging the handle so it's visible but not distracting. Aim for a comfortable margin from the edges so it doesn't touch the frame or cover captions and important visuals. If you want a softer look, slightly lower the opacity so it blends with the video. You can also fine-tune alignment using on-screen guides or snapping to keep it consistent. Finally, make sure the overlay lasts as long as you need by stretching the logo clip on the timeline to match your video's full duration. Give everything a quick preview from start to finish. If the size, placement, and visibility feel right, you're all set. That's how to insert a logo in CapCut quickly and confidently.